You have to be really mindful, dear Leo, of a couple of things here. One, what you're giving your attention to. The more you give your attention to the outside and other people, the more drained you're going to become, and the more stories you're going to get lost in. Whatever it is that is occurring for you in your life right now, because there's different things that are occurring in all of our lives. Your greatest opportunity is to see yourself in it, not to see somebody else. This isn't about anybody else. It has nothing to do with other people. Other people will show up in ways to push and I use the word support, but it doesn't look like that's a supportive thing, but to push and so on and so forth to trigger what is going on for you internally. Your power right now isn't in trying really hard to protect yourself from other people. Your power is in recognizing what's arising for you and how to deal with that. Your power is in taking the time to observe the parts of you that are begging for your validation, that are begging for your attention, that are begging for you to hear them, feel them, and see them. This has nothing to do with the world around you. And just to be clear, there's a lot of things going on in the world around us. And I'm not saying dig your head in the sand. I'm not saying don't help or don't support. I'm not saying any of that. What I am saying is whatever is currently going on in your personal life is triggering parts of you that need your acknowledgement. Until these parts of you have your acknowledgement, space held for them by you, they're not going to go anywhere. And what happens is you'll start to feel suffocated and trapped by these parts of you.